login. So yeah, I'm gonna show you something. So now, as you can see, that this is my auth. This is my API gateway service. Okay, and there I have my auth service. This is working very well. So basically, okay, this restaurant. So what I just did, I created a microservice, and I'm creating a microservice project. So I have created two services. One is API gateway and the auth service, and I have deployed both of them to the AWS EKS, so basically on the Kubernetes auto scaling cluster, and my API gateway can access. My API gateway having a load balancer which is open to the public, so a user can make a request to the address, and then my API gateway service internally is communicating with the auth service, and the auth service is not open to the internet, and everything is on the AWS. So yeah, I have done it successfully, and it wasn't easy, but yeah, it was exciting and interesting. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.